Sibonge i-executive yawo, sibonge abaphathi baka-Bycash, sibonge i-competitions committee yala, sibhike ama-directors ema-clubs nema-media houses la khona endlini. Kwethu singoko nje kuqala kubonga kakhulu ama-directors e-Bycash ne-staff ukuthi babone kukuhle ukuthi esibhiki basichaze ku-league yakhona or basponsorishe i-league yakhona. Angisho nje babe mabuza ukuthi i-league yasesibhiki, I think it's one of the richest league in terms of sponsorship. Le usikhuluma nyalo nini usibambisile sathola sponsorship lesinye lesi-knockout lebese sinaso bese silontsha kulamalangana esitawudlala concurrently with the league. Kanti besikhona nalemunye spa khona lana cishe good league le reach njengalena through your effort. Asibonge kakhulu nje Mshengu namuhla nalokungakakuva Mshengu ukuthi namhla ama teams atogcoka atoba mahle emadlala labanye ke vele njengoba besho Thami i-equipment yekudlala ibhola it's very expensive these days. Most teams tawukhanza ukuthi they are struggling to get such an equipment, so lokhu nje sikubonga kakhulu and kwenda nale league ibe yinhle nje ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi kudlalwa lana ka-Bycash territory, which is very good lokho. And angisho mhlonishwa ukuthi kuyakhombisa tikhona tinkhomba leti positive nge-support lo siniketa yona kuma-national tournaments. Cishe vele ku-dominator loho kulama tournaments lakhona nje yithi Ngwenyama Cup benale manye ama-tournaments. Lokusho ukuthi through your support kuyasisita lokho ukuthi sende ngconywana. Kunenge ama-challenges mhlambe lesinawo, but through the cooperation with the clubs siyadama kuku-reduce. We still do have some challenges there and there. Ngike ngayibika nakuwe Mhlonishwa, ngiyakuva ukhuluma ngayo. Ngithi vele angiqale ngayo because nemanikati believe bakhulumile, Ingwenyama ikhulumile ukuthi seyithiniwe yona bona silango siphuma nje early singakhoni qualify for bo-CAF nabo World Cup neyitolo nje sambile sayodlala. Lokusho ukuthi seyisele ngathi baphathi bebhola futhi khona lesingakwendi kahle thina ukuthi i-team yethu ayikhona ikuphumelela. Lokunye ke sikushothi nalabadlali bethu funa sibakhe babe attractive. I will tell you about the team lebezidlala nayo itolo. Khona ligama lolukhulumile Mshengu, you said we need to be strategic. Bonake they came up with a strategy where they naturalize seva nje ukuthi wakadlamini ungathi bohlala lapha ngesheya kanti siwabasengilandi bayaku-naturalize bathi yibaLswati utodlalela the national team. We can do that, but mine I believe ukuthi if we can do proper training within ourselves, kunalama courses lesiwendako sekwaba kuhle kenyalo, sekwaba khona nema-courses la online, even the overseas courses you can get them online. Siyifunze lento lesiyendako sitobona ukuthi the modern trends athini nyalo, singabambi kulokudzala kanti sekukhona lokusha lokwendiwako. So let us do that. Sifunze sithabele lebhola ukuthi idlalwa njani vele noma nyalo kushothi lokuthi sidlwe ngaso sonke isikhathi kushothi khona into singadendi kahle. Ngandeka kube ku-administration, ngandeka kube ku-technical, ngandeka ke ngcenye ku-national naku lokunye phela sidel ground le hostel ama-international matches. So the infrastructure yethu vele, which means still wanting. We hope ukuthi ke live emva kwesikhathi itasibona nathi niyakhumbula kadzeni imigwaqo leminye bengakasithathu but lonyaka leminye seyabathathu and up to international standard maybe nathi ngalelinye ilanga sizawugcina sine stadium lesikahle lesihle not only one maybe 2 or 3 we hope ukuthi one day kutowendeka sithi ke lokunye maybe silhovisi lakaho asithumise ema teams asespeak we kukhona tinto letendekile letinye ngitatiyekela leti administrative letinye sakhanza sathi nasileti phansi sakhanza ukuthi akukhona ukusebenzeka as maybe we had set out ema rules but we came across that probably sit have reporter go another platforms in reportele kahle ukuthi what exactly happened maybe lokunye lengitaka reporter ukuthi we happy labanye abantu bayibacabange nasithi let us register early and let us play early siqale ngesikhathi kuyasisita kakhulu lo because uyabona uhamba udlale 1 or 2 games utibone lokuthi ngiworking akuphi kusenesikhathi sekuregister and uyakhona ukuyothabela labanye badlali kuphi ungede that makes the league strong kukhona lamanye ama regions ngikhani bayokuqala kuleli viki leli yodlala and nathi uyefika le ground bamshaya 10 not sekude la ngenda khona tabang 10 not kuze kube i second window sayibona into lenjalo then that makes the league weaker so ngithi nje angibonge uma teams asespeak ukuthi sicishe siqale ngesikhathi lebese sishido besithi siyaqala mhla ka 6 September sasisibeke ngesibambongelo 6 September besathi uthi le holiday lelikhulu la kaNgwane nasithola amazibusa but saqala mhla ka 12 cishe ngibona lesikwethabelako lokho ukuthi sibambisane nathi because lokunye thina suke sesikubokile ngembili kwenu ukuthi lokho asikuhlele kanje kuze ukuthi kutosita lama teams ethu and I'm hopeful ukuthi le extension nje bese ngijabula ukuthi buka can still add more players so it works to our advantage so ningacabanga ukuthi lokunye nasingena ngathi siyankongonya no it's for the good of you it's for the benefit of you esikhathi sinlesiningi asibonge kakhulu nje kuloko sebakushido lokunye bekunene kungabukeka kukabi phela sesiyabona nje so yalwa nation nenang lectures lekudlala ibhola but wena so wendi boxing eground ngebike cash bengisangeva ukuthi bike cash uyasponsorisha iboxing lokusho ukuthi let's remain in football sidlala ibhola emaphutha yendeka maphutha engaqhamuka ngacoach kodwa yakudzingela simshaye angaqhamuka ngebadlali ukuthi nje they fail to click badlali ngalelo langa asibashaye lingaqhamuka futhi nangaka Rafael Glaring kwambi World Cup nelgol lesandla yaye Argentina ude lwashaya sakhala nje useyulahambile ngale danger so that those are some of mistakes lendekako but we have to live with them and sibona lena masisita kuma players please tell the players ukuthi abatmisela njengoba abashito la umhlonishwa ushito ukuthi emakhona sikaphuwanga ngekuhlukana ngeasmeans siphiwe ngekuhlukana siyabona imisebenzi iyancipha so one thing umhlonishwa lokube silenga phandle umhlonishwa ufuna kuba ne team ngithanga ukusho lokube sileba he wants to own a team so ngifuna nim encourage nani maqhamuka abantu abanjengabo bo businessmen they always have a strategy who knows one day if baba baningi boba be mabuza la baba nebhola maybe they will give us a strategy with how to be successful in a business then that it will transform to where we are how can we make football be a business and then maybe after we have done that then we will conquer the world sayibona lena these people are strategists all the time mawuve ukuthi ma prices ayehla inyuka bona they still survive so maybe they will share that with us into lenhle ibhola ke it has a lot of benefits mhlonishwa siyalibambisa live kuthula nje peace football that's what it promotes bekunene angalesikhathi kune unrest. The other thing leyangiletha ukuthi kube ngathi yaphela nya kwaba kuvulela ibhola kuyibuyisa base bantu babona ukuthi hayi man sicabanga kanjani thina sibe teamini kwase kuyabenza lokunye ke bese nekushito. Now there's a problem lesinayo ka health the non-communicable diseases are increasing kakhulu asandlula lama infectious diseases ngiwona sabulala abantu kakhulu. So football being an active sport, a physical sport, it reduces that nabo cancer. So if udlala ibhola so ba encourage labafana bangane because nyalo vele sekunalento dabo in PlayStation kanti umntwana ahleti the whole day adla keep ngalana dlala lento akumsithi lamdimbeni yamlimata lo mntwana. So football it's good for that. And this is a launch lab for their success. If the player is talented, so PayCash is giving us a platform for the talented youngsters. We would see balonche success yabo. This is a launch lab you can play even overseas through football and earn a lot of money. Labanye badlali bahola more than GDP yalakangwane. Namon ubone ukuthi labantu they are talking in billions in US dollars imali yabo thina sakakametela kufika ku that now national budget ayifiki 2 billion US dollars. It's still less angithi labanye basangakayaphi. Those things we have to look at it sikubuke lethu tesita sisibona. So imagine uma besinga exporter badlali labang 10 and go there and then maybe munye so win a Ballon d'Or sayatu uthing malini. That's a lot of money in those things. So this is an opportunity inkampani taka PayCash they are availing for you. This is a platform where you can write ukuthi yathi ngaqala lana kudlala sithi nje sibonge kakhulu ku PayCash tandla ke tiyagezana bekunene. I'm happy nale la ngikhamwe khona lenkundla yakithi lenhle kakhulu kaNkomiyahlaba ukhona PayCash and vele we encourage people ukuthi athengela wasita ke thina because hey kuthathe for high ukhamwe kumathapha noma eMbabane it was very expensive but now tibetineng vele sethengwa le sekwasita kakhulu nje asibonge vele supporta yena. Mina nje sebangadi eMbabane Mhlonishwa nakumathapha ngalenye ilanga ngaduha ngicabanga ukuthi usengale bathi hayi so opposite tile shop in classic tiles ngase sengina sebangadi you know vele asendeni kanjalo bekunene bathi nikhothe ikhothaya bekunene ngisho njalo. Let's support titolo taka PayCash and promote them. Nini nje become ambassadors asi Mhlonishwa angisho ukuthi ama teams asespeak bekake ngisiyo ama teams asiniketa inkinga cishe nje everything was sailing well.
Wow.
Kungane nje maybe dimethi ngakulungisa ngalanga kithi ku administration part otherwise in the football pitch bengasimadima kangaka. We are aware ukuthi invoke labangijabulisa kiyo yinye abasiphi bo Rafaela i-team nje noma phela kuye kube khona umdlali lokhanza ukuthi uyayithanda nale bhola manje yona le bhola ayimthandi lethene ngakithi adami refereeing nayo ke seyinemali lama games lawa ladlalako nje I think they are about $1,000 US kuyi Rafaela 90 minutes 1,000 ulaliswa kwekuqala ufakwe endizeni uyabhadalwela ulanzwa ngemoto yakanokusho airport ulaliswa ku 5-star hotel minimum is 3-star hotel like Bo Hilton bayabona vele kanjalo kudla uyathengelwa konke uyanakwa nje kwakho nje ukuthi bathi usirafelele la igame for 90 minutes uthola $1,000 that's about 18 or 17,000 phinde uflyiswe ngendiza ubuyiselwe ekhaya kimi sabona. So baletheni shem labantu now lesinema causes ke and kunema causes now lakhona basic coaching ne-intermediate bakhona. Please ngicela siwangenele lama clubs ethu acoachwe bantfu labaqeqeshile so that it will improve ibhola. Asijabule lenye into lesijabulisile speak lo nyaka sifakile team ka Super League, which shows ukuthi it's a good thing to happen. Ayilothi sidlale labo kukhombisa nje bona ukuthi na nimsupport but bengamlese ningamemi badlali na ufuna nje umdlali ngakuwe usheshe negotiate azinto negotiate nalo muntu nathi imali umbute ukuthi ngibhadala malini sheshe umsayine lo mdlali because need ama contracts nalabadlali. That is one thing lenye lenkinga. You are supposed to have contracts with these players. Abanye nibabhadalele esikoleni but mawangakubhali phansi fana nekuthi good. And lo mdlali nakuphela isizini let iform iyaphela because siku amateur status. Sayibona lento leyo. So negotiate nalo muntu ube quick kumsebenzi. So I know ngikunikethe ukubhadala manje ngibhadale kancane. Nifike ngikubhadala kancane so that you don't lose. Nathi ke ngalana sasebenza le issue yeku training compensation. Kuna what is called training compensation, but safuna kukumolda kahle that thing so that wathi ukuthi umdlali nahleti kuwe isikhathi lesingaka how much are you compensated wena for ukutraina lo mdlali aze abe ngilolokile. But ukuthi kuthatha at a snail pace, but we will be pushing it soon. We might go for a workshop ka Football Association, a retreat. I will raise it again because it's there. But kuhle kakhulu nasasayina lama contracts lamakhulu. Wherever he goes, wherever he moves, nyalo sekunale trace yalo mdlali. Ukuthi usuke la weta la ulana bedlala neminyaka lemingakhi udlala iminyaka lemingakhi la. Kumthoka that thing. Lokunye ke lento niyala kiko. Singati forge le certificate talabadlali. It becomes a very big problem. Nasadlala lo mdlali because FIFA nyalo umniketa yinye nombolo lo mdlali. That number it's an ID yakhe yasebholeni. So nawuchinja leminyaka wakhaya ma ID lamanengi uyamlimata lo mdlali. Ngina sekuyinkinga. So please ngicela ukuthi singakwendi lo wrong like so wakhe PDF anzi nyalo sesingena ku online. So kube ngiloku nje ukuthi ungena ku online sibone badlali bakho ungasakhela iPDF noma udagcina sawuhamba senda spot check kulama teams ukuthi ungene njani kuyakhona le system le match le competition management system ufuna labo Rafael abagcine nabo bafika la siya uploada le dingo ibe lethu napho udlala nje imatch siyathi ukuthi ugqoke njani kuba nabo pre-match siyathi ukuthi ugqoke just lenjani and once wafika wena sokugqokela elinye ijezi before lo uploadile lelikala noma ngabe yi-home ground but mawuthite wena dabu ugqoke ijezi lenje befika lo babe ngale wathi hey lichinje lelo dawudliwa ngandeka lelikala lidle wena. So the system is to manage the competition without less interference nebala. So iya lapho iya revolve the system sevana kami. So nje sibonge kakhulu kuba bemabuza lokuthi nje usite kutonke letinto le. I'm hopeful ukuthi Speak will be a force to reckon with so much investment. It's not a lost investment. I think it's for a noble cause and it will reach where it's supposed to and it will fulfill my aspiration, especially for the youngsters. Asibonge kakhulu